Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will see how to use UNICHAR function to get any kind of symbol in Excel. First of all, we'll see how to get the numbers like this. Start typing equal to UNICHAR, open bracket, row, again open bracket, A 10102. Click on enter, drag this to down. Now let's see how I got this code. In UNICHAR function we have a huge list of symbols. This is the code for this symbol. In the same way, we have so many codes to insert many symbols. From here I got the code. Let's try one of this. I'll check for this. Start typing equal to UNICHAR, open bracket, row, open bracket, A 33. It's the bracket, I can close the bracket, click on enter. Here you can see the symbol is inserted here. In the same way, you can insert any symbol by using the UNICHAR function. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.